Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a HP laptop. This is the new model laptop HP, and you can see guys, this laptop display is low light, working everything. You can see the picture but no display light. I think this problem is cable. So this laptop was dropped by the corner of display, and display not broken but no light picture working. So now I will open and check what is the problem. I think problem inside the laptop case. So first I have to remove the battery. Let's go and check. So guys, first I have to shut down the laptop. Okay, and then I have to remove the battery. So and then some model laptop need to open all the backside, and this one no need to open all the backside. Just remove from this front side of the display. I just remove the cover. And see, here is the locks, and now I have to remove this 4 screw here. So for this work need a small screwdriver. So I have a small screwdriver and I remove this 4 screw in the display. And now I keep down the display and check. Here is the problem. So see guys, here is problem inside the cables. So this cable is open little bit. So I just press like this and make fitting good, and I put some tape here. See, I have to put some tape and I return back the display, and I put all the screw, and then I will open the laptop and check. I hope it will be work. So I return back that 4 screw I open. And now I will put the battery and check first before close the cover. I return back the battery. Okay, and now I'll check. And you can see guys, this laptop is working. I have picture in the display. And now I will return back the cover. So sometime have like this problem. If you change display before or the new also, the drop the laptop and cable just remove. That's why picture have but no light. So you can fix it at home. And this problem your any laptop, not only the HP laptop, this any model of laptop you can fix it. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video and hit the bell icon. You can see here the laptop is working perfectly, and this model laptop is HP Pavilion 15-AC021NX model. So any model you can fix at home. So thank you guys, have a nice day. And here you can see that this laptop is working, and here is the model number. So thank you.